So you now understand what dependency injection is, which is basically just providing the dependencies that a class needs. Now, what this means in code, let me show you. So we have car service that needs a dependency on car DAO, on email service, and MOT service as well. So let's actually put all of this into code so you see what I mean. Right, in here, within car service, never do this, nor this, basically. Nor that, right? So instead, what we should do is use dependency injection, where this class in here gets provided with the dependency that it needs. And all this is just removing all of this and then add this field to constructor. So you've learned about constructors, and this is it. It's as simple as this. So here you can see that car service, we're not saying new car DAO, so on and so forth. So this is the actual dependency in here. And if I open up main, let's actually now put things together. So if we have a car service equals to new car service, and put this full screen, have a look. So car service needs car DAO, so it's a dependency. So what we need to do is we actually have to construct car DAO first. And by the way, these classes, they are empty, they don't do anything. I'm just using them to demonstrate dependency injection. So new car DAO, and now I can pass car DAO inside. So you can see that these are the dependencies. And then at this point, we actually inject. So we are injecting the dependencies into car service. So we said email service. So let's just say that we have a class called email service. So email and then service, for example, and car service needs to send, for example, emails, let's say. So here what we do is we say private email service, just like that. And then we pass within the constructor. So I'm just going to do this like this. So just like this, so you can see everything properly. So comma, email service, and then we assign this dot email service equals to email service. There we go. Now, obviously, we need to pass in the email service every time we instantiate car service. So back to main in here, and here we actually need email service, which is another dependency. So email service equals to new email service. And inside of car service, it needs email service, which is yet another dependency. So email service like that. And we also said that we had MOT service. So let's just create this class in here and also inject it into car service. So back to car service, and here we could just do this. So private MOT service, then I'm going to create this class because it doesn't exist. So create class under this package. Okay, go back and then use the keyboard shortcut Alt Enter, add constructor to parameter, refactor, and put this on a new line. And we have a problem now. If I go back to main, we need to say MOT service equals to new MOT service, and there we go. Now let's say that MOT service also needs to send emails. Well, we say private and then email service, add this to constructor. There we go. Now if I go back to main, and you'll see that MOT service now receives email service as well, and we can pass that within car service. So here MOT service, we pass it inside. So this is basically what dependency injection is. So here we have car service, which has 3 dependencies. MOT service, we've just done, has only 1 dependency. And next, let me talk to you about an issue that we currently have with creating objects in this manner. But if you still have issues about dependency injection, please do let me know. And you'll see throughout this course, we're going to use only dependency injection, and I will explain where we get into testing, why is it better, so on and so forth.